Hello guys, and welcome for the 6th episode of the 12 bottle bar series, where I teach you how to make great drinks at home using 12 bottles. Today's episode is special to me. I was really eager to make it, because we're gonna be making a Pina Colada. And I can hear some of you behind your screen screeching at the thought of a Pina Colada, because you think it's a cheap drink that is really not as tasty as you would think it is. The reason for that is probably because around the 70s, the Pina Colada, which was until then a very fine drink, started to be made cheaply with cheaply bottled mix, and then turned into a very sweet sort of concoction that lost the interest of what is a Pina Colada. And I'm really glad that since a few years there is a big revival around it, like with bartenders appropriating themselves the recipe and creating amazing drinks around it, like the guys at Coupette in Bethnal Green here in London that make a champagne Pina Colada with a sorbet that is fantastic, or Dean Callan from the Dean Callan Show doing the Fino Colada, where he used Fino sherry instead of rum. So to make this Pina Colada, if you want to make a very delicious one, you're gonna need a blender, because that's how it was originally created. One story says in 1952 by the head bartender of the Caribe Hilton in Puerto Rico. You're gonna need fresh pineapple, coconut cream, and white rum, and some ice. I've got the coconut cream here, which is the shop coconut cream. It's not the Coco Lopez that is usually used, so I'm gonna need probably to add a little bit of sugar to it to balance it. And the recipe is as follows. So blender, about 130 grams of fresh pineapple, about 30 grams of coconut cream, and I put that in there, 30 grams. Then I'm gonna add 25 ml of sugar syrup to balance it, because this is an unsweetened coconut cream and you still want some of that sweetness. The pineapple is sweet, but a good ripe pineapple got some acidity to it, so you need to balance it properly. There we are. Very tasty. And then about 100 grams of ice. And for the rum, again, Plantation, delicious, amazing white rum, which is a blend from Jamaica, Trinidad and Barbados. Plantation is a beautiful house that blends amazing rums and greatly affordable for its quality. And we're gonna go with a generous 60 ml. There we are, 60 ml of rum. And now we're gonna give that a blend. And there we go. Now we've got a beautiful Pina Colada. I'm gonna try this first. Oh my god, that is good. It's really a guilty pleasure. And no, it's a good excuse for me to use my really tacky pineapple glass. But you know what? Who cares? That is one tasty drink. And then we're gonna garnish it with a nice chunk of pineapple. And straw. And cheers guys, here is the Pina Colada. Really guilty pleasure. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please let me know in the comment if you've mixed Pina Colada at home and if you think like me that it's a delicious guilty pleasure. And please like and subscribe down below if you want to keep updated about the video coming up on the channel. Cheers!